Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the track you want to echo and confirming levels so you avoid clipping. Once selected, open the channel strip and insert echo from the Delay Effects menu. This places the device directly on the signal path. Make sure tempo sync is enabled if you want rhythmic repeats, and set wet/dry low to hear the source. You'll also check input gain so the plugin receives a clean signal. This prevents unintended distortion as you dial in delay time. Next, focus on timing and tonal character. Switch between tempo-synced values like 1/4 or 1/8 for musical echoes, or enter milliseconds for precise slaps. Then increase feedback to add repeat density, but avoid runaway resonance. Use the low and high cut controls to remove mud or brittle highs. Once done, add modulation or ping-pong for stereo motion, and set diffusion or grit to taste. These determine whether echoes sit smoothly behind vocals. To finish, automate echo parameters so repeats evolve with the arrangement, automate wet/dry for drops or big choruses, and modulate feedback for tension. Consider using a send to a return track for parallel processing and easier mastering, which keeps the original dry signal pristine. Make sure plugin order doesn't conflict with compressors or EQs. If echoes disappear, swap order. If you hit clicks or high CPU, lower buffer or freeze tracks. These steps resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.